Maintenance. Step A. Replace oil. B. Replace oil separator. C. Replace oil filter. D. Replace air filter. Replace oil. Stop the compressor, shut off the main gas valve, open exhaust valve, exhaust the gas, then connect an oil pipe or oil deflector. Open the oil drum down valve and discharge the oil. Turn on compressor. 30 seconds later, turn off. Exhaust the oil again. Add oil at the side filler for first maintenance. Add oil at the top of oil drum when changing oil separator at normal maintenance. B. Replace oil separator. Disconnect oil return pipe, air pipe, intake valve control air pipe, pressure sensor, and open drum cover. Replace oil separator. Open oil drum cover. Take off sealing gasket and oil separator. Knock at the oil separator if you feel it's hard to take off. Add oil from the top of drum. Oil level is the same as red light on the glass. Replace new sealing gaskets and new oil separator after adding oil. Use blade to shake off dirt on oil drum cover or surface of drum opening to avoid air leakage. Cover oil drum and install all fastener and screw up. Install oil drum cover after changing oil and oil separator. C. Replace oil filter. Use chain clamp to tighten oil filter and remove it. Add some oil on oil filter opening to make it easier to screw up. Finish replacing oil filter. D. Replace air filter. Open the cover and take out air filter as the video. Pull out the side filter screen. Clean the filter screen and air filter. Install filter screen and air filter. Precaution. The first maintenance time has already been set before leaving the factory. After the first maintenance, customers set the time of next maintenance by yourself. When it's time to maintain, the machine will make automatic notice and alarm. Spare parts position of different kind of powder compressor. Replace oil filter and oil separator. Replace air filter. Replace air filter of PM VFD compressor. Adjust the belt of belt drive compressor. Loosen 4 screws of motor and tighten the side screw. Press the belt and tighten the motor screw. Lowering 1 to 2 cm is the best. LCD operation panel. Press start to turn on the compressor firstly. The machine will make an alarm when it's time to do first maintenance. Do not need to replace oil separator at first maintenance. Set the time for next maintenance.